Best Cowrywise approach to retirement savings. Retirement in your 20s or 30s? Why is it easier than you think? Retirement isn't an age, it's a financial number. And with inflation, starting now is non-negotiable. Cowrywise demystifies it for you. Forget retirement and think freedom fund. Create a wealth plan, their investment product, and name it something exciting like Beachfront Cafe Fund or Future Freedom. Then use the micro investment strategy. With Cowrywise, you can start with as little as 500 Naira. Set up daily, weekly, or monthly automatic funding. Consistency, do not forget, consistency trumps large lump sums. Then diversify within the Cowrywise app. Don't just save in a basic plan. Explore their curated mutual funds and dollar funds within the wealth section to hedge against inflation and grow your money. So your future self will thank your present self for one thing: starting. So open a Cowrywise wealth plan today. Stop a 200 Naira daily automatic debit and you've already begun the journey. Hit like if you are committed to your future freedom. See you in the next one.